How's it going, everyone? Alright, so we're going to be installing a package in here. These are pure Russians, or purebred Russian, that's what they're supposed to be. Very nice looking package of bees. We got maybe a dozen of them we're going to be doing some stuff with. This is that maybe hive that we were sent. We're going to start them up. I've got food in the feeder. We just filled it up. Nothing but foundation. Alright, so this is how a lot of people start the packages. So this would be like if you're brand new. I'll show you how we install them. This right here is just a sugar syrup. What we do is we spray them down in here. It just kind of keeps them at bay a little bit. You don't have to do this step. This is just kind of what we do. All these foundations are waxed. They're ready to go. I have never used this type of package before. I usually always get the ones with the wood. We don't do a lot with packages though. So this is the food can. You want to take that out. Take those bees off. And again, if you're just starting out with bees, you want to make sure that they have plenty of food. So make sure that you give them food. We like these internal feeders. This particular one, I really like it. It is from Motherload. So very nice feeder. Alright, so again, I don't know anything about this package. I'm trying to figure out where the queen is. There she is. Oh, very nice. There you go. So that is her. The queen is in here. Let's inspect her. You want to make sure that you can see her, that she is alive. If it comes with one of these little candy caps like this, make sure that you remove it. You don't want that on. They will chew through this. Do not take her out. Let them chew through her candy. Alright, so then what we do is we give it a shake, a tap, and then we dump the bees in. Just like this. Alright. Now some people leave this package in the hive and do all this stuff. We don't do that. We don't mess with it. It's that's not how we do it. We just do it that way. I feel like there is a way that you open this up, but I'm not for sure. But I feel like, yeah. There we go. That's easier. So that side pops off like that. Just dump them in there. There we go. So they go in here. Bring you in. So that is what we're looking at right there. And then when you just put the whatever you have in here, so we're just using foundation. So this would be like if you're brand new, you just got your first package or something, you shake them all in there, put your foundation in there, make sure that it's good coated with wax. It just helps the bees. It helps them draw a nice comb. You may have a different feeder. You may not have this internal feeder. You may be doing something like these jar feeders or Boardman feeder. I don't like those, but a lot of people use them. Then here is the queen. She is in her cage. She looks good. This candy side right here, we put it down. We're gonna put it right here. We're gonna stick her just right like that. Candy side down, that way if the candy melts, it's not gonna drip on her. You can kill her. So the bees are in here, they're gonna figure it out. They have their entrance right here. We have an entrance reducer in them. We are in a dearth in this area. These hives will come in, try to rob them and all that stuff. Alright, so next what you're going to do, you're not gonna worry about a queen excluder. Do not use these right now. You can, but not now. Alright? Don't put another box on top. Any of that stuff. Alright? You're going to set this up. This one has an inner cover, a 10 frame. We're going to slide the inner cover on. Try to get the bees out of the way as best as we can. Slide the inner cover on. Queen is right here in the middle. I can see the cage right here. They will take care of her. They have food. Now we put the top on. So when you're installing the package, this is all that you want right here. You don't want to go up boxes, more frames and all that stuff. You just want them to build out this bottom box. We will make weekly videos to see how they're doing and when we're going to add on another box to get them to draw. So that is how we install a package. It's pretty easy. You don't have to be terrified of them. Again, the sugar water sprayed on them helps out a bit. They're going to be flying, as you see, they're all over, but they will zone in on this and get inside of this hive. It will calm down after a while. This right here, this can, you can, if it has food in it, you can open it up, pour it in a feeder. This one's pretty empty, so you just throw it away. These this package right here that it came in, you can leave it out if the bees are all if there's still bees hanging out. There's no bees in here, so we're not going to leave it out here. We don't want to draw them into it anymore, and they are. But again, so this one was a pure Russian hive. Very gentle right now so far. They can get a bad rap. I don't think, for me personally, the bad rap comes on second queens or sister queens and stuff, but you know, not a bad one. We're going to be monitoring it, let you guys see for yourself. All right, you'll be keeping it real out there. We'll catch you on the next one. See ya.